and for turning up in such large numbers. I can actually say that this is going to be a Shandar evening without sounding cheesy. So there's so many interesting collaborations on this film that make the viewing experience even more spectacular. So this is Dharma Productions' second foray with Phantom. We began our journey with yes, well done, Phantom. We began our journey with Hasi to Phasi, and it's been an incredible experience. All the expertise at Phantom, as you know, is not just a business head in Madhu, but all the three prolific filmmakers that contribute largely to the celluloid experience and you're about to experience. Fox has been an amazing support to us at Dharma Productions. In fact, from the very beginning, and Paulo Coelho will now endorse it, from My Name is Khan onwards, our journey with Fox has been an exceptionally satiating one. So we're always happy to partner with Fox. So here, the coming together of three very strong forces in Phantom, Dharma Productions and Fox promises to make a fun ride. More than anything else, Vikas Bell's last outing was not only one of the most special films of last year, but this time his new tirade with romance, love, and what do I call quirky romance is, I think, going to be a magical experience. So without saying any further, all of us at Dharma, Apurva Mehta and myself would welcome Fox and Phantom into the world of Shandar. Please have a look. All right, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for that. That was Shandar, and we'd like to start the proceedings. And may I please invite on stage the CEO of Foxstar, Vijay Singh, who's partnered with us on Shandar. And of course, the man of the moment, the director himself, the captain of this illustrious ship, none other than Vikas Bell. Hello. All right, she's back after last summer and she's here to dazzle you with her Shandar elements, Alia Bhatt. In his first romance in nearly 8 years, since you met him in Jab We Met, you're going to see him in a romantic avatar, the award-winning actor of all of the award shows last year, Shahid Kapoor. And me. We're going to sit, and we're of course very happy to take questions from the house, hopefully about Shandar. Vijay, where would you? Yeah. Are you comfortable? Vikas, all well? Right. Hello. Hi.
Hey, y'all are the winners.
Oh, you all won.
Yeah, the winners. Woo!
Oh, we have the Shandar invitees. Okay, superb.
What did you all think?
Okay.
We can't hear you.
More. Great.
Thank you.
All right, yeah. Questions from the house, please.
Hi, Vikas. Center. Hi. The trailer looks amazing. जहाँ तक बात करें, आप जाने जाते हैं छोटे बजट की फिल्मों को डायरेक्ट करते हुए, लेकिन हम देख सकते हैं शानदार की सेट में काफी लैविश सेट बनाया गया है. तो व्हाट वाज इट ऑल अबाउट?
करण जौहर. यार जितना पैसा मिलता है उतना खर्च कर देते हैं. पिछली बारी कम मिले थे तो कम बजट की बनाई थी, इस बारी थोड़े ज़्यादा मिले तो थोड़ी बड़ी बनाई. But that's what the film was about. It is about enjoying the scale, the music, the dance, the performance, the love story at that scale. So that's what the film is about. Hopefully it's a lot of fun along with the money spent. And yeah, so that's it.
मेरा सवाल है आलिया भट्ट से, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन.
हेलो.
आपकी नज़र में इस फिल्म में सबसे शानदार सीन कौन सा है?
सॉरी?
शानदार फिल्म में सबसे शानदार क्या है आपकी नज़र में?
ओ, शानदार फिल्म में सबसे शानदार क्या है मेरी नजर में?
जी.
शानदार फिल्म ही शानदार है ना, तो सबसे शानदार फिल्म है.
सीन में कोई
अच्छा, आप पोस्टर में भी दिखाया मूछे लगा रखा, प्लस अभी ट्रेलर में भी दिखाया आप पेंसिल से मूछ बना।
हाँ, कभी कभी हो जाता है।
ये एक्चुअली 2 हीरो फिल्म है। उसमें पहले हीरो आलिया भट्ट हैं, दूसरा हीरो मैं हूँ।
आलिया, आपसे एक सवाल है
जी।
महेश जी से हमने पूछा था कि आलिया विशेष फिल्म्स में कब दिखेंगी, तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो हम बहुत छोटी बजट की फिल्म्स बनाते हैं और आलिया इज अ बिग स्टार, तो कभी आप विशेष फिल्म्स में भी दिखेंगी?
वो सब बहाने हैं। आई थिंक वो बना रहे ऐसे, ही वांट्स टू टेक मी, ही विल टेक मी, पर अगर होगा तो ढंग से होगा। हरी में ऐसे आई डोंट वांट टू डू अ रैंडम फिल्म जस्ट लाइक दैट। जब होगा तो इट विल बी ग्रैंड।
और ये बहुत विशेष फिल्म है।
I want to ask Alia that how is this role different from the other roles you've done?
See, now if I go to compare it to each and every film, it's gonna take a long time. But let's just say Alia and Alia in Shandar, there's a very thin line that's joining them together, as they both are mad, but they both are a lot of fun. But this character kind of made me explore this fantasy, quirky, little offside, which I've always wanted to do, which I only do alone in my room. So for the first time, I could do that, played as a character in front of so many people on set, and it was really nice. I became the character, started walking also like her, started saying jokes also like her. And one thing I would like to say to everybody over here, Alia in Shandar is very, very intelligent. Please don't mess with her. She gets all the facts right. So don't ask her any questions. Don't ask me any questions, but don't ask her any questions also.
विकास जी, ये आपने जो क्वीन बनाई थी उसमें भी कॉमेडी थी, हर तरह का मसाला था, लेकिन फिर भी फिल्म में सोल था। इस फिल्म में सिर्फ कॉमेडी है या फिर इसमें भी सोल है, आत्मा है?
सोल तो मिलने पे मिलता है, पर आई थिंक there is a story and there's a lot of fun. So I think you should again find both. But I think even when I went out to make Queen, तो मैं ये सोच के नहीं बना था कि एक सोलफुल फिल्म बनाते हैं, एक मैसेज देते हैं। वो तब भी हम एक फिल्म बनाने गए थे कि एक लड़की है, ऐसी लड़की अगर ट्रैवल करेगी तो उसको कितना, what will she go through, and let's have fun with it. So here also it's a love story where we've just said okay, it's a love story and we've gone and had fun with it. And hopefully there is something larger to say with beyond that fun. But both times I think we've gone to have fun and hopefully some bigger meaning comes out of it.
Shahid, congratulations for the marriage.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
आपकी शादी में सबसे शानदार गिफ्ट क्या मिला?
One second, sir. I would like to say something. शाहिद की शानदार शादी हो गई. अभी शादी, the only शादी we'll talk about is the one that's happening in my film Shandar. Please. But sometimes no शानदार शादी for Shahid. Okay?
Just wanted to know शानदार गिफ्ट क्या मिला था?
आलिया
मेरे दोनों तरफ ये लोग तैनात हैं, तो आप सवाल।
शानदार गिफ्ट्स for Shahid. No other gift. Okay?
आलिया को पैक करके भेजा गया था शाहिद की शादी पे।
Hi Shahid, hi this side, on your right.
This मेरा right.
Yeah, hi.
कहाँ है?
Faridun from Bollywood Rangama, this side.
Hi Faridun.
Hi Faridun.
Hi, how are you? I think you have, apart from the fantastic chemistry that you're sharing with Alia in the promo, you're also having a wonderful chemistry with your father, Mr. Pankaj Kapoor. I think that is definitely looking like a highlight. So could you please tell us something about that?
यार, सबसे पहले तो जब मैंने डैड के साथ पहला शॉट दिया तो 3-4 टेक हुए और मैं विकास के पास सिर्फ आके ये कहता रहा कि विकास मैं ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा हूँ, और विकास मुझसे कहता रहा शायद तू सडनली इतना ओवर एक्टिंग क्यों कर रहा है। एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक आई नीड टू डू अ लॉट टू बी एबल टू जस्ट फॉर पीपल टू जस्ट गो फ्रॉम लेफ्ट ऑफ कैमरा वेयर डैड वाज टू राइट ऑफ कैमरा वेयर आई एम। सो फॉर मी इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल मोमेंट दैट मुझे अपने डैड के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला, एंड आई लाइक टू थैंक विकास फॉर दैट, फॉर गिविंग मी दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी।